everyone. I am Angie Ravenel with Ravenel Products, and I want to share with you how I take care of my hair when I am wearing protective styles. I am wearing my favorite style of all times. It's faux locks, and I know a lot of you ladies opt to this look throughout the year. I wear this throughout the year. I absolutely love it. And I really get a lot of life out of these faux locks because I know how to take care of them. And I'm going to show you how you can take care of your protective styles, your braids, your locks, your natural curls, or whatever it is. So what is Quick Clean Hair Mist? For those of you all who don't know, Quick Clean Hair Mist is a no rinse, all natural cleanser. It's a shampoo, conditioner, oil, leave-in conditioner, all in one. You just spray, you wipe clean, and you go. It's no mess, no residue, no rinse. There's nothing on the market like Quick Clean Hair Mist. I'm really proud of this product. It is scientifically made with natural ingredients. All right, so the problem sometimes with protective styles is it may become itchy, a little flaky, your scalp may become a little irritated, and also edge control. I wear edge control a lot and it does not affect my hair, okay, because I know how to remove the edge control and start over using Quick Clean Hair Mist. So a lot of people lose their hair because of edge control. It does have alcohol in there. It's made to last. So it has a drying agent in there, which is normally alcohol. So when you're putting edge control on top of edge control on top of edge control, then trying to comb and brush through it to create whatever shape you want, you're actually breaking your hair. So that's why I suggest you use Quick Clean Hair Mist. So it's really easy to use. I'm going to show you how I remove my edge control. You just spray and you massage it and you loosening up that edge control. You can see it actually sudsing up. Then next I am going to use a microfiber cloth, and I want it this light in color so you can actually see any kind of oil or debris, or the product itself of edge control will be on this towel. So I go in and I just lightly wipe away that edge control. It is that easy. That's any color I may have added as a little touch-up color to cover any little gray strands I have. The product is on this towel. And now my hair is free of edge control and I can start over using my edge control. Let's finish. And voila, I am all clean, I'm fresh. I started all over with my edge control, and now I am ready to go. And the thing about it is it only took seconds. You guys, you got to give Quick Clean Hair Mist a try. I'm Angie Ravenel, and I created this product for you. Now available on Amazon.